At University of Houston Clear Lake, our goal is simple: your success. With 45 years of educating astronauts, business leaders, scientists, engineers, and educators in the nation's fourth largest city, UHCL is the place to find your path. We are Hawks, a community of more than 9,000 students who come from different countries around the world, speak many languages, and represent diverse cultures. A testament to our designation as a Hispanic-serving institution. So whether you're in college for the first time, transferring from another college, affiliated with the military, identify as LGBTQ, or have different cultural beliefs, we have 2 words for you: access granted. Get ready to be challenged and guided by professors who combine classroom learning with research, hands-on experience, and their industry knowledge to prepare you to contribute to your community and the world. There's even more to discover outside the classroom. With more than 100 student organizations, you'll build new relationships, learn new skills in leadership, and find your voice. Our tree-lined campus offers green space to create, relax, and recharge. Get ready to discover more at UHCL. We're ready for the journey. Are you?